How to change plan in Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can change your plan in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you have a Netflix subscription and then you might want to change your plan, whenever you open the Netflix app you won't find the option because the application on Netflix does not offer you such a way. So instead what you want to do is you want to simply open up your browser, go to netflix.com over here. Once you go to netflix.com, you're going to be able to land on this page where you need to tap the three lines option at the very top left hand side. Then just go to this option known as account. Once you go to this option known as account, you're going to land on this page where you want to simply scroll, and here you'll find plan details. Here you can see I have a current basic plan, so what I need to do is I need to tap in the change plan option, and now I can select whether I want to downgrade or maybe just upgrade my plans to standard or premium. Once I've done that, I just need to tap the continue option as you can find it, and it'll ask me for a confirmation one last time. I just need to tap the confirm changes option in order to successfully go ahead and then change your plan on Netflix. This way you can change your plan on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.